Do you want to know how you can log into your TMF Payroll account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to How to Log In. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your TMF Payroll account. Go ahead and open your browser on your PC and search for TMF Payroll Login. Click on the first link which appears on your screen and it will take you to this site. Now go ahead and write down your email address in this box over here. After you write down your email address, go to the password section and write down your password. After you write down your password, go ahead and click on this button to check your password and click login. This way you can successfully log into your TMF Payroll account. If in case you have forgotten your password, click on this link and write down your email address and confirm email address, click submit. A mail will be sent to you by TMF Group, which you can click the reset link and you can reset your password and log into your TMF Payroll account once again. So guys, this is how you log into your TMF Payroll account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.